If you want to make sure you never miss an important alert on X, formerly Twitter, then this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on push notifications step by step so you can start receiving updates directly on your device. If this helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the option you need right away, click on More to expand the menu. This is where X keeps some of the extra settings that aren't shown on the main sidebar. After that, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main account settings area, where you can control how your X account behaves, including privacy, security, and notification preferences. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, look for Notifications and click it. This section is where X lets you manage what kinds of alerts you receive and how you receive them. Now click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see different notification options that you can customize based on how you want X to alert you. From there, click Push Notifications. This is the setting that controls whether X can send notifications directly to your phone or device. Finally, toggle on Push Notifications. Once you switch it on, X will be able to send you push alerts for activity, updates, and other notifications based on your settings. And that's it. Push notifications are now enabled on X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.